Hi everyone and welcome to this little video. It's sort of like an unboxing video. I've recently received from my wife a pickup from King, little pickup gadget thing that I saw an advert for. She saw an advert and she thought, wow, that looks cool, let's give it a go. So let's find out what it's like. So here we go. Okay, cool. It's got a little case, little plastic tube. It's got a hologram on there, and it's got numbers around here as well with like an arrow. So I guess you can use this for if you're playing a game with points or something, up to 50. It's pretty cool. And then a plastic bag. Okay, and then this is the gadget. And so on the advert, he used it to pick up cards. Oh, there you go, look, it's picked up all of them at once. That was the thing that was confusing me. I was like, okay, I could see how a little suction thing would pick up a card, but they picked up multiple at once. So, look, you can get all of them. Oh yeah, if you turn it, it falls off. I remember that being on the thing as well. And then that top card is really held on very tight, super tight. So you press the button, and there you go. So it's got like a button at the top, and you can go like this. And apparently, even if they're kind of separate, these are all our locations from the Great Commission strategic card game. You can go, not too hard, there we go. And then you put them in your hand. It's pretty cool. And then I put these here because these have got sleeves on. So I think, let's see if we can pick them all up. Not quite. I think that when they're sleeved, they're slightly less easy, but let's try it. You can still do that. So that was good. What I don't know is if you're just drawing one card, if there's a technique for that. But to be fair, if it's on a deck, like, it's not hard to pick it up. It's mainly when it's flat on the surface. And with the Great Commission strategic card game, it's a tableau game, so you'll often have all your little people. And I guess what you would do in that is you would be turning them around. So yeah, see, that's good, isn't it? Nice and easy. So let go. And then you might go, oh, I need to take these three, and they're going to go on outreach, and then we're going to draw 3 cards again. As I say, you just do 3 by hand because they're not on the table anyway. You go, yes, it worked, and go, yeah, there you go. So that's pretty cool. Picks up multiple cards at a time, particularly stronger if you haven't got any sleeves on them. And you press the button to let go. So that's a pretty cool gadget. Pick up. I noticed as I was opening it, it's got a little code here, 10% off, pick up 10. So you can use that to go and grab your copy. Awesome.